Here's a stupid easy side hustle I wish I knew sooner. Lazy People Edition. I'll be giving a step-by-step guide, so make sure you save this video so you can come back to it later. First, we're gonna go to Etsy and search something like pillowcases. You're gonna get a ton of results, but for this example, let's just choose this normal looking one. This person is selling a normal pillow design for $24 and they've made about 11,000 sales. Let's just say they sell their pillows at $24. At the 11,000 sales they've made, they would earn about $250,000 in profit. And that's all from selling a normal pillow design. So let me show you how simple it is to set that up. Head over to Printful and sign up for free. Under products, you can find home living and click on pillow and pillowcases. For this example, we're gonna choose all over print basic pillow. From here, you can click start designing. Now, instead of putting a regular design like the one we went over, you can put something like a popular meme or even a really popular cartoon that you've seen gone viral. So from here, you can click on choose file to upload your new picture. I've done the everything is fine meme. You can click mockup view to see what it looks like as well. And that's it. For this last step, you'll want to click on sell with Printful, go to platforms and marketplace, and click on Etsy. Now you can connect your Etsy account with your Printful account. What this does is it eliminates you having to do anything. When you get an order on Etsy, Etsy will alert Printful, and Printful will make the pillow and ship it straight to the customer without you having to do anything. You don't have to pay for any costs either because they'll deduct that from the profit you earn. Now, a tip or trick that you can use when setting up your Etsy listing is to go look at all the top listings to see if you can find any keywords. This will only take you like 2 to 3 minutes, or you can go to erank.com. This site basically gives you keywords to push you in search ranking. And obviously, don't just stop at one pillow, guys. Make as many as you can. The more listings you have, the more you'll make. This is pretty much all automated and passive other than making the pillow designs. And if you want to know how I make multiple figures a month online from a different passive side hustle, follow and check out my free ebook on my profile.